In this mini lesson, I'm going to show you what I call the Coltrane Turnaround, and I'm going to play it over a G blues. So in your normal G blues, I would just play a 1-6-2-5 or a 1-5-1 turnaround. So one of these. That was the 1-5-1, or I might do the 1-6-2-5. Okay, so instead of one of those, now I'm going to play what I call the Coltrane Turnaround. That's one way to play it. Here's a different way to play it. Okay, so what's going on there? Well, we're going G7, B flat 7, E flat major, D flat 7, or A flat 7. So here's what's going on. Instead of 1, 6, 2, 5, we're going 1 and the tritone substitution of the 6. So the regular 6 would be an E7. The tritone is a B flat 7. And then we're treating that like it's a 5, leading to its own 1, which is E flat. So, and then we snap back to the 5 of a G blues. So if we play the A flat 7 instead of the D7, all we're doing is playing the tritone of the 5 of the G blues. So you got 1 tritone of the 6 to its own 1, snap on back to the G blues 5 chord. So in context, the 1 of the G blues, the tritone of the 6 to its own 1, then snap back to the 5 of the G blues, which is a D7, or the A flat is the tritone substitution of that D7. So that's really all there is to it. There are really great ways to overthink the Coltrane Turnaround, but if that's 1-6-2-5, you got 1-6, well, that's the tritone of the 6, and it's leading to its own 1, and then you snap back. So basically for a second there, we just do a 5-1 in E flat. Here it is one more time. Again, the other way. And that's the Coltrane Turnaround. For in-depth, long-format lessons, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're interested in one-on-one private lessons over Zoom, drop me a message. I appreciate you studying jazz with me. I'm Bird Snake. Thanks for watching.